Conservation strategies. Conservation strategies refers to the various approaches and techniques used to protect and preserve natural resources, ecosystem and biodiversity. Following are some key aspects of conservation strategies. Point number 1. Protected areas. Protected areas such as national park, wildlife reserves and marine sanctuaries are established to preserve biodiversity and provide habitat for endangered species. These areas are managed to limit human impacts such as habitat loss, hunting and pollution. Point number 2. Habitat reforestation. Habitat restoration involves activities management of ecosystem to restore degraded habitat and protect endangered species. This can involve reforestation, wetland restoration and removal of inclusive species. Point number 3. Sustainable use. Sustainable use of natural resources involve managing resources such as forests, fisheries, and water resources in a way that ensure their long-term sustainability. This can involve sustainable harvesting practices, use of renewable energy, and reducing waste. Point number 4. Community based conservation. Community based conservation involves engaging local communities in conservation effort and ensuring that their needs are met while protecting natural resources. This can involve promoting ecotourism, supporting sustainable livelihoods, and providing education and awareness. Point number 5. Policy and regulation. Policies and regulations can play a critical role in conservation by setting standards and limits on activities that can harm natural resources and ecosystem. This can involve laws protecting endangered species, regulation on hunting and fishing, and limits on pollution and development in sensitive areas. Conservation strategies are essential for protecting the environment and preserving biodiversity. Effective conservation requires a holistic approach that takes into account economic, social, and environmental factors. By promoting sustainable use of natural resources, engaging local communities, and enacting policies and regulations, we can help to protect the natural world for future generations.